we are on our last leg of the Glacial Drumlin Trail. We're going to Waukesha, which is about 6.5 miles from here, so it's about a 12-13 mile round trip. And it's quite a bit different from our other rides. It's about 40 degrees now and windy, so it's cold.
Or 20-degree wind chill.
I don't think we'll be doing any but sweating today. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye. Are you ready?
I'm ready, Mama.
Start?
I'm ready.
First start?
Yep. Okay. Oh, sure, baby. I know, because I'm hardly pedaling. Look at these colors. Huh? I'm using you to block the wind. It's like standing behind a bar. Cold, baby? Right up quick. Careful, baby. Well, watch where you're going. Good thing that wasn't a big drop. Let's stop at the bridge, baby. Take a break. Well, here we are. We've gone about 3.27 miles. So we just about come halfway to Waukesha. And I'm freezing my fingers off. It is colder than hell, especially when you're going 11, 12 miles on the bike. Oh my God.
Come here, baby.
My honey told me to wear gloves.
Yes, I told them to wear gloves.
And I wouldn't listen. Oh my God.
Typical male.
It's not supposed to get above 48 today.
That'll teach you for all you guys who think you're so tough.
I take it back. I like the 80, 90 degree weather better, but it would have been nice if we could have had a 50 or 60 degree day instead of hot, freezing cold. Right, baby?
That's right. I feel nice and cozy.
Well, I'm going to have a drink now, and then we're going to make our way to Waukesha.
Bye.
Bye. It's a bridge here.
This has got to be really old. Game farm.
Game farm?
No hunting. Game farm.
Is that the Monopoly one again?
That must be the Monopoly one.
Yahtzee?
'Cause it says no hunting. Game farm. So it must be Monopoly, Parcheesi, Candyland. Maybe even Kismet and Yahtzee.
You think so?
Could be. Why else would they call it a game farm and have no hunting allowed?
That's right. Well, maybe.
Yeah, them rocks look old, don't they? The trestle rocks. Here, over the bridge.
Yeah, they are. I mean, it's been here a long time, baby.
Yeah. Oh, look, somebody carved her.
I saw that
Oh, here too.
all over.
Yep. Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's hit it.
All right.
Next time we'll be in Waukesha.
I hit it.
There's that pretty tree. We're at the end of the trail now. We're at the end of the trail. We've done 7.37 miles and they've been riding for 45 minutes and we're gonna head on back. So we should put in about 15 miles this trip. You're close to it anyhow.
So this is the last segment of our 52-mile ride. Yay!
Yeah, my honey's gonna try and get pictures of double wide here. She's gonna wear the helmet and we're gonna reverse the camera again, so on the way back. So we'll see how that goes. Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye, double wide.
Bye, double wide.
They're together. Must be friends.
Right here we had to stop and adjust the camera. We'll have to see how it goes now. We've done 9.24 miles. We're going to go another mile or so and check the camera again.
Can't help it, you got a big head.
Stiffer in the cooler weather.
Yeah, mine too. Yep. My hip. Yeah, it's like too cold.
What was that, the DNR station? I screwed my ass.
Oh. Huh?
Hi.
Hi.
We stopped again to switch helmets. I'm going to wear the camera again. It's cold. I'm sweating underneath, and then we're heading right into the wind. And the sweat and all that doesn't feel too good. But anyhow, we got about maybe 4 miles to go, 3 or 4. You know, we'll see what happens. We'll make it, though. We'll make it.
Even if we look like popsicles.
Can you make it, baby?
Oh, yeah.
We're going mostly uphill now.
I can make it.
You can make it?
I can make it.
Can make it. We're going mostly uphill now because it was a pretty fast ride to Waukesha. So now we got to cut it back. But then we're going to go to that coffee shop and get some hot chocolate when we're done, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And a Danish or something.
Yeah. Could be good, baby.
Okay. By way back here, I suppose it's okay.
Highway DP.
Don't knock yourself off the bike.
Well, here we had to stop and take a rest. We're at the 12.11 mile. Probably got a couple of miles to go to Wales yet, but we're up this grade. It's just like a 10, 15, 20% grade. It just keeps going and going. It's not that it's that steep, but kind of wore us out. There's my honey sweating away. We're on this little bridge where we were before. We're sitting down. They got some benches here.
I look horrible.
Did you lose any weight, baby?
Yeah, a few pounds.
Yeah.
Please don't take a picture of you.
Let's go, Mama. Let's finish her up. 2 miles to go.
Let's go.
Maybe 3. I don't know. All uphill, too.
Uphill.
You lead the way.
Okay. Off we go.
Well, we got to position it. Where is it? There's the trail right there. Well, we've completed. This is our 6th time out, and we completed all 52 miles of the Glacial Drumlin Trail. Actually, we've ridden 104 miles on it in 6 trips because it was always down and back, so it was always a round trip. So I don't know, this year or next year or whatever, we'd like to start at one end and go all the way to the finish, but it's going to be a long day, so I'll do all the 52 miles in one shot, one way. We'll have to see what happens. We're recording now.
We are recording.
Yeah, here we are there in Wales, here by the trail. We're near the trail's little coffee shop. We had a roast beef sandwich and chips and a pickle I had.
And it was good.
And it was good. And some nice, good hot chocolate. We're done eating. We're ready to go home now. This is what the place looks like. Nice and cozy. Right, baby?
Yeah, nice and cozy.
Help me up because I can't get up.
The building had been closed down for a while. Some vandals came in, which we thought was kind of a cool thing, and shot a BB gun through the window here. Gives it character.
Yeah.
Thought it was pretty cool. Not that they shot the window, but it gives it character.
Help me up, baby.
Oh, you gotta help me out first.
Okay, I'll see what I can do.
Okay.
Yep, that's where we were, Mama D's Coffee House. Oh, excellent hot chocolate, good roast beef sandwich, chips. Oh, it was good. The hot chocolate especially. Yeah, there's Mama D's where we ate after our ride. Looked at the built in 1912. It used to be an old bank building. Say bye, baby. That's it.
Bye.
See you on YouTube.